everyone, welcome to our lesson 3, class 3 of African drum with singing. Today I'm going to teach you our last verse of our song called Dumelang. Our last verse is gonna go like this. Mwana khosi ria uboka iyelele mwana khosi ria uboka. Mwana khosi ria uboka iyelele mwana khosi ria uboka. Let's try it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Mwana khosi ria uboka iyelele mwana khosi ria uboka. Mwana khosi ria uboka iyelele mwana khosi ria uboka. We are going to sing it while playing the African drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Mwana khosi ria uboka iyelele mwana khosi ria uboka. Mwana khosi ria uboka iyelele mwana khosi ria uboka. Let's try it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Mwana khosi ria uboka iyelele mwana khosi ria uboka. Mwana khosi ria uboka iyelele mwana khosi ria uboka. This is the end of our African drum with singing. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.